MCQ Part 3. Class 9th Science. Chapter 2 is Matter around us pure. Question 1. Which of the following are physical changes? I. Melting of iron metal. E. Rusting of iron. E. Bending of an iron metal. IV. Drawing a wire of iron metal. A. I. E. and E. B. I. E. and IV. C. I. E. and IV. D. E. E. and IV. The correct answer to question 1 is C. I. Melting of iron metal. E. Bending of an iron metal. IV. Drawing a wire of iron metal. Melting, bending of an iron rod and drawing a wire of iron metal are examples of physical changes, as iron is changing its form and not the chemical composition, but in rusting of iron, the chemical composition changes. Question 2. Which of the following are chemical changes? I. Decaying of wood. E. Burning of wood. E. Sawing of wood. IV. Hammering of a nail into a piece of wood. A. I. and E. B. E. and E. C. E. and IV. D. I. and IV. The correct answer of question 2 is A. I. Decaying of wood. E. Burning of wood. Decaying and burning of wood are examples of chemical changes because the chemical composition of wood changes and a new substance is formed which cannot be converted to their original form again. Question 3. Two substances, A and B, were made to react to form a third substance, A to B. According to the following reaction to A plus B, right pointing arrow A to B. Which of the following statements concerning this reaction are incorrect? I. The product A to B shows the properties of substance A and B. E. The product will always have a fixed composition. E. The product so formed cannot be classified as a compound. IV. The product so formed is an element. A. I. E. and E. B. E. E. and IV. C. I. E. and IV. D. E. E. and IV. The correct answer of question 3 is C. I. E. and IV. A to B is a compound made of two elements A and B in a fixed ratio. The properties of a compound are different from its constituent elements, A and B. Question 4. Two chemical species X and Y combine together to form a product P which contains both X and Y, X plus Y right pointing arrow P. X and Y cannot be broken down into simpler substance by simple chemical reactions. Which of the following concerning K species X, Y and P are correct? I. P is a compound. E. X and Y are compounds. E. X and Y are elements. IV. P has a fixed composition. A. 1 E and E. B. I. E. and IV. C. E. E. and IV. D. I. E. and IV. The correct answer of question 4 is D. I. P is a compound. E. X and Y are elements. IV. P has a fixed composition. X plus Y right pointing arrow P. X and Y are elements so cannot be broken into simpler substances. P is a compound with fixed composition. Question 5. Which of the following provides an example of a true solution? A. Blood. B. Milk. C. Starch solution. D. Sugar solution. The correct answer of question 5 is D. Sugar solution. Explanation. A true solution is a homogeneous mixture where the solute particles are evenly dispersed and cannot be seen with the naked eye. Blood is not a true solution as it contains cells and other particles that can be seen. Milk is also not a true solution as it is a colloidal suspension, meaning it contains larger particles that can be seen under a microscope. Starch solution is not a true solution as it contains suspended starch particles. Starch particles are large and do not dissolve completely in water, making starch solutions cloudy. However, sugar solution is a true solution as the sugar molecules are dissolved in the solvent, usually water, and cannot be seen.